Make grain-matched miter fold boxes in minutes with minimal measuring and no complicated joinery. Just 4 identical cuts on your router table. The new Ultra-Shear folding miter bit makes quick work of folded miter joints. Unlike typical V-groove bits, the folding miter bit has a flat, just a few thousandths of an inch wide, right at the tip. This creates the perfect hinge point and eliminates the fuzzy finish you often see in the bottom of V-groove cuts. Miter fold boxes couldn't be simpler. Just set the spacing between the fence and the center of the bit to match the outside height of your box. Set the depth of cut to roughly 3/4 of your material thickness. And run all 4 edges against the fence. Back up your material right over the cut with painter's tape. Now bring your bit up until it is just barely below the surface of your material. And make the final pass. Use a razor knife or sharp chisel to remove the corner pieces. And fold your box together. We make the miter fold bits in 2 sizes. 1/2 inch shank for material up to 3/4 of an inch thick, and 1/4 inch shank for material up to 1/2 inch thick. We manufacture these bits right here in Strongsville, Ohio, and sell them direct to the woodworker. No middleman markups, and no ocean voyages. Just great bits at a great price. Build better boxes faster than ever with the Ultra-Shear miter fold bits. Order yours today. Have an idea for router bits you would like to see in the Ultra-Shear lineup? Let us know with an email to mailroom@woodpeck.com.